Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Sunday, May 26, 2019. It's a Memorial Day weekend. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. So anyway, I had a good. I got home Friday late afternoon and had a good day yesterday, Saturday. Did some barbecuing and flying, which we saw in the video. And today I did some errands and visited a couple of people, and now it's 6:30 at night and I'm on my way to down to Brennansville. I'm gonna pick up a load there to deliver in Johnstown, PA tomorrow. Hey, we're just getting on the highway here at Oneonta. Got about 203 miles to go to get to Brennansville. Got a total of 446 miles to go to get to Johnstown, PA.
Continue on route.
We're going to be into Johnstown probably about sometime a little after 3 a.m., somewhere in that neighborhood. Probably about 3:30 actually, because I'm going to stop for fuel and I will have to get a 30-minute break in somewhere, which usually I do at Brennansville, and that resets that 8-hour clock on me. So I get to Brennansville, do a drop and hook, and then I sit for 30 minutes to take a mandatory 30-minute break, and that resets my clock to 8 hours, and 8 hours will be enough time to go and get fuel on the way and get over to Johnstown, PA. So probably about 3:30, somewhere in that ballpark. We don't deliver till 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, so that's fine. So I probably get in there at 3:30, and I usually don't go right to sleep. I usually unwind for an hour or so, watch a little TV, and get up to deliver, which I'll probably be up before noon, definitely. So I'll see if I can deliver early, but we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, we made it into Brennansville. Dropping our trailer here, and our loaded trailer is right across the way for us over there. We've already got the paperwork. It is raining a little bit out, so if it gets any heavier rain, we'll have to put the camera away. It's quite warm and muggy out down here. I had to put the trailer in the door here because there's no parking spots in the yard. Not a single spot. This is the only open spot. Yeah, there'll be one now where I'm pulling my trailer out for the next guy. Alright guys, there's our empty trailer. We dropped right over there, and now we're over here hooking up to our loaded one. Let's check this baby out. Let's see what we got here. We got some water here, that's for sure. Okay, seal number. Look at all the bugs. 6061. Look at all the bugs. At least they're not mosquitoes. At least they don't look like mosquitoes. Hey, she's an old one, but in pretty good shape. The only thing I can really see wrong with this trailer is that, oh, see, it just went out. That marker light up there on the top corner, there it goes. Came on dim again. It's got to be a grounding issue. It's not the plug. ABS light works okay. Yeah, I think that's a grounding issue up there. $244 miles to go. We got to stop for fuel yet at the TA in Buckhorn, PA. Okay, everything looks good. And I gotta fill out one of these babies. One of these spotted lanternfly certifications. Let's see. And what's today? The 26th, right? 26th. Trailer number. Quarantine location. I didn't see any. I seen a lot of other bugs, but I didn't see none of those. I don't think you see too many of them around, like in the parking lot or industrial area here. I don't know, maybe. I feel like I got bugs all over me now. Boy, it is just super humid out there. Alright guys, I'm just about ready to go here. Let's get this out of the way. We'll head back for the gate. All our paperwork's filled out for them. Our load information is in there. at 23:05. And it is 11 o'clock at night already. We are on a 3-minute break. Just trying to get something to drink here. Let's see. We don't have too much to choose from here. I got Pepsi. Pepsi and more Pepsi. I forgot to bring anything to eat. Well, I didn't forget. Didn't have anything to eat. What do I got? I don't got anything quick. Cut up some cheese. Cut up some cheese and crackers real quick. I'm cutting the cheese. Oh no. So I'll get a couple hunks of cheese. And a couple crackers. And then there's dinner, guys. There's dinner on the road. Crackers back in the shelf there. Cheese back in the baggie and put it away. Yeah, so that is a road dinner, huh? You gotta make do with what you got sometimes. It's late, ain't nothing open. Truck stop will be open, but they ain't got nothing really. The restaurant at the truck stop will be closed. Subway will be closed, so all you guys a little convenience store there. So I'll have cheese and crackers now, and wait till I get up to Johnstown, PA. I'll make a can of soup before I go to sleep, watch a little TV, and go to bed. But we'll see what happens. So there it is. There's dinner. Cheese and crackers. Okay, we got our loaded trailer and we're headed for the gate. 30-minute break's up. Boy, it's showing an arrival time of 3:19 right now, and I still gotta stop for fuel. Eesh. Alright guys, I'm gonna check it at the gate here and we will talk to you a little bit later. Okay guys, we have arrived here at the TA Travel Center here in Buckhorn, Pennsylvania. We're gonna fill this truck up and continue on over to Johnstown. Got 160 miles left to go. Doesn't look very busy at all. Alright guys, we're gonna jump out here. Let's change our log here to on-duty fueling. Alrighty. Okay. She's a full. That's all covered up, that DEF fluid, because that stuff will freeze in the winter. So that part of the pump is heated, or the line is heated, and then it's kept closed up so that it doesn't freeze at the end. Okay guys, we got our fuel and we're heading on out of here. Pretty quiet here tonight, being a Sunday night on a holiday weekend, with Monday being the holiday. I actually see some parking spots in here. This is usually a pretty busy truck stop. Always hard to park in here. Okay, so our new ETA is around 4 a.m. Ouch. Guess we got 160 miles to go. It's pretty quiet out now. There's not many people out on the road at all. Alrighty guys, we will talk to you again when we get over to our final destination. Hey guys, I arrived here in Johnstown, PA. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning, so just checking out where I'm parked here. Pretty good spot, I guess. Alright, well, thanks for joining me here on the Trucker John Show today. Glad you could be here. Give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you'd like to. Okay, we will see you tomorrow. Take care, everybody.